There is a moment somewhere far ahead of us when the universe will no longer carry our name. Not because we vanished suddenly, or because something catastrophic erased us, but because time, vast and indifferent, simply moved on. Because every memory, every trace, every whisper of our existence slowly drifted into silence. We like to imagine that the universe watches us, that somewhere out there, our stories echo indefinitely, carved into the fabric of space-time, shining from the light of a distant star. But stars do not remember. Galaxies do not archive our triumphs, and the cosmos does not keep a diary. All it knows is motion, matter, energy, entropy. Everything else fades. Even now, our planet exists in a fragile bubble of relevance. A thin shell of radio transmissions expanding through the void. A sphere no larger than 100 light-years wide, carrying our laughter, our fear, our wars, our symphonies. After that, nothing. Not because we stopped speaking, but because space stretches faster than our stories can travel. One day, even those signals will dissolve into the cosmic background, indistinguishable from the static left behind by the birth of everything. Memory, to the universe, is temporary. A star burns bright for a time, then collapses into a dark remnant. A planet circles faithfully until its orbit decays, stolen by a greater tide. Galaxies collide like slow-moving storms, mixing their stars until history loses all meaning. Nothing holds its shape forever, not even light. The universe is forgetful by design, not out of cruelty, but because eternity does not pause long enough to remember. And so the question becomes, what happens when we are forgotten? When the last human voice falls silent? When our cities crumble to dust? When Earth becomes just another cold, wandering stone? Who will speak for us then? Who will know that we once looked up at the sky and wondered if we mattered? Maybe no one. Maybe the universe will simply continue as if we had never occurred at all. But maybe that's the wrong place to look. Because meaning was never meant to be stored in the stars. It was never the universe's responsibility to remember us. It was ours. We are the archivists. We are the storytellers. We are the only witnesses of our tiny miracle. The brief, impossible moment where matter learned to think, to feel, to love, to dream. If the universe forgets us, it changes nothing about the fact that we were here. That we carved a spark of consciousness into an indifferent cosmos and called it life. Perhaps the lesson is not that our story will vanish, but that its worth was never measured by its duration. A star lives billions of years. A human life, barely a blink. Yet for reasons no science can fully explain, that blink is filled with meaning. We existed, we loved, we wondered, and in a universe where forgetting is inevitable, those acts alone are extraordinary. If one day the cosmos forgets us, that's fine, because right now, in this moment, we remember ourselves.